Welcome back to Chef's Super Breakfast. Today we have a sausage and egg wrap with guacamole and that special salsa I made. Same thing with the guacamole, the special guacamole. Anyways, watch and learn and don't get burned.
We're gonna start by cracking 8 large eggs and beating them to a pulp. No, I'm just playing. Now for our sausage, we're gonna use 16 ounces of pork sausage, Italian style from Safeway. If you can't get it there, get it somewhere else. Now we're gonna get our meat chopper and break all this up. Let it cook a little bit, turn it all around, and get the meat smasher and do it all over again. Wanna make sure we break it up. Now for our seasoning, my favorite flavor god, everything seasoning. After about 8 minutes, we're gonna put in our eggs and mix that all in. Now that this is pretty much ready, let's get the tortilla ready. We're gonna throw our tortilla on there, let it sit for just a little bit, flip it over, a little warm. Now let's cut it. We're gonna cut it just one slice all the way to the middle. Put the cheese on one side, then put our meat with eggs, a guacamole, and our salsa. And then watch as we flip this. Now, you wanna get big tortillas. Where I was at, the store around me, they didn't have the big burrito tortilla, so I had to use what I had. But you want to use the big burrito tortillas. Works better. Now we put it on the griddle and just wait till our cheese melts. And voila, it'll be ready.
And we're back. So, a lot of these things I make, sometimes I have a lot of extra guacamole, extra salsa, extra. Read all about it, right? So I have to use it. So in this case, I had made guacamole, and again, I always keep that salsa in hand. And I came up with this and a bunch of other meals that require guacamole and salsa. So it doesn't go to waste, we use all of it. And again, when I make the guacamole or the salsa, I usually make a lot of it. So sometimes we don't finish it. So I have to come up with something so it can go all gone. Does that even sound right? All gone? Anyways, let's eat this thing. I'm just playing. It's really good. Well, the video for the guacamole and the salsa will be at the end of this video. Or if you want to watch my huevos rancheros, the steak lime fajitas video, they'll be at the end of this video too. Again, subscribe, hit the like button, leave me comments, and hey, tell your friends. Watch and learn, and don't get burned.